How to log in Lloyds Bank online banking account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. For this, go ahead and open up a browser that you prefer in your preferred device. From here, search for Lloyds Bank. Select the first option given to you. You will be redirected to the official webpage of Lloyds. To log in or sign up to your account, simply tap on the Log On option at the side. Select if it is personal or business. Here I'll be selecting personal. Now to log in, it is very simple. Enter your user ID and your password. You can tap on Remember my user ID. Do not toggle it on if you are using a public computer. If you have forgotten your logon options, select Forgot your logon details. Tap on any of the forgotten password or any of the username. Then select Continue. If you have selected Forgot your password, you have to enter your user ID, your first name, last name, date of birth, and hit the Continue icon. By this way, you'll be able to retrieve your password. If you want to create a new account, just go ahead and tap on a Register Online option given to you. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.